Hello friends. Today I'm going to show you how to configure Netis dual band Wi-Fi repeater. First, I will show you how to set it up as a repeater, which means it will be used to amplify my home Wi-Fi signals to reach far. Then lastly, I will show you how to configure it as an access point, which means it will broadcast Wi-Fi signals from my wired network. At lower side of the device you should take note of default Wi-Fi SSIDs and IP address, because this information will be used later. Default SSID Netis _2.4G_X and Netis _5G_X. IP address 192.168.0.254. Here we have Ethernet port to connect device on wired network and a reset button. I will use reset button to reset device to a default settings, because it was used with someone and I don't know a password, so I have to reset it. This is a Cat6 Ethernet cable. I will use this to connect a device to my home wired network during the process of configuring access point. I will use laptop to do configuration. You can also choose to use desktop, laptop, or even a smartphone to do configurations. Just follow the instructions and you will be fine. Now, let's power on our device. Now I'm going to reset a device. I will use a pen to press a reset button. You should press and hold for 5 seconds and then release it. A solid blue cockle will flash as an indicator of success. Now I'm going to turn on my computer and start configuring my device to act as Wi-Fi repeater. Let's begin. Click on Network button located down right corner on your taskbar. Connect to Wi-Fi network of your Netis device. Do you remember the default Wi-Fi SID of our Netis device we noted earlier? Select it and connect. By default, no password is required. Now let's open a browser and type a default IP address on address bar. This is the default IP address we noted earlier. Then browse. Now we have entered in Netis configuration page. Here is where we create the administrator password. I suggest you should create a strong password for security. You will be using this password to enter to your Netis configuration page. On this lower part is where you chose mode of operation. We will choose repeater mode since we want to configure a device as repeater. Then click Next. This page shows all Wi-Fi network on your area. Choose the one you want to amplify its signal, then connect. On this page is where you enter the password of your Wi-Fi network that you want to amplify its signal. Also down here it shows how the SSIDs of the extended or amplified Wi-Fi will look like. Then click Extend. Our Wi-Fi network has been extended successfully. Now I will connect to one of the Wi-Fi SSID and see if I can access the internet. It's connected successfully. Now let me show you how to configure this device to act as an access point. Connect to Netis Wi-Fi network as we did before. Now let's open a browser and use default IP address to access Netis configuration page. Note, I resetted a device again so I can show you how to configure access point mode. Also, you can log into your device and change the mode without resetting a device. It's easy. If you can't do it, just leave a comment. Then I will create a video for that. Now let's create an administrator password. On operation mode, we choose a P mode, access point mode. Then click Next. This is the list of SSIDs that will be broadcasted for users to connect. Now create a Wi-Fi password that users will be using to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Then save and take effect. Okay. Now let's connect our device to a wired network so that it can start broadcast wireless signals from wired network. This Ethernet cable is connected to my network. I will use this cable to connect Netis device to my network. It will be used to transfer signal and internet from my wired network to a device. Then a device will broadcast signals through Wi-Fi. Now let's connect our computer to a Wi-Fi network broadcasted by Netis device from our wired network. It's connected successfully. Now let's test the internet. You can see, I can access the internet. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.